Good morning, class. It is question number 46. Find the length of perpendicular from the origin to the straight line joining the points whose coordinates are a cos alpha, a sin alpha, and a cos beta, a sin beta. Means, firstly we have to find the equation of line passing through these 2 points. Equation of line passing through points a cos alpha, a sin alpha, and a cos beta, a sin beta is by the formula y minus y1 equal y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Then y minus y1 means y minus a sin alpha is equal y2 minus y1 means a sin beta minus a sin alpha upon x2 minus x1 means a cos beta minus a cos alpha by x minus x1. Now we have y minus a sin alpha, take minus 1 common, minus a sin alpha minus sin beta by a cos beta minus cos alpha, x minus a cos alpha. Now we have to apply formula of sin c minus sin d and cos c minus cos d. Sin c minus sin d is equal to cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. It is formula for sin c minus sin d, and cos c minus cos d, cos c minus cos d is equal to sin c plus d by 2 and sin d minus c by 2. Then we have y minus a sin alpha, a cancel out, minus 1, sin c minus sin d means sin alpha minus sin beta, then it is equal to cos alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2 by cos beta minus cos alpha, cos beta minus cos alpha is equal to sin beta plus alpha by 2 and sin d minus c means alpha minus beta by 2. X minus a cos alpha. Now sin alpha minus beta by 2 cancel out, 2 to cancel out, and we have sin beta plus alpha by 2 into y minus a sin alpha into sin beta plus alpha by 2. No, minus cos alpha plus beta into this term we have minus cos alpha plus beta by 2 into x plus a cos alpha into cos alpha plus beta by 2. Now shift this term to LHS. We have cos alpha plus beta by 2 x plus sin beta plus alpha by 2 y, and this term also in LHS and minus a common. We have cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus sin alpha plus beta by 2 . Then by using formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B. Then cos alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equal cos alpha minus alpha plus beta by 2, means it is equal cos alpha plus beta by 2 x plus sin beta plus alpha by 2 y minus a, and this cos a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is equal cos a minus b, means cos a is alpha minus b is alpha plus beta by 2 equal 0. Now we have cos alpha plus beta by 2 x plus sin beta plus alpha by 2 y minus a. Take LCM. We have 2 alpha minus beta means cos alpha minus beta by 2 equal 0. Now length of perpendicular from origin to this line, from origin to equation 1, we have from the formula P equal C by under root A square plus B square. It is the length of perpendicular from origin. Mod value, then P equal C is constant term, means minus A cos alpha minus beta by 2, it is C, by under root A is the coefficient of x, means square of cos alpha plus beta by 2, we have cos square alpha plus beta by 2, and B is the coefficient of y, then we have sin square then it is equal P equal positive cos alpha minus beta by 2 upon cos square plus sin square. Value of cos square plus sin square is 1. Then perpendicular length P is equal A cos alpha minus beta by 2, and it is answer.